Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's George. So on this video I'm going to show you what I bought today and what I bought last year. So 4 months ago today, it's a 50-foot capacity air hose reel made by JobSmart, and a JobSmart hose here, also 50 foot in length. But I'm not going to be using this air hose. Why? Because somebody on YouTube sent me a comment, reminded me of something clicked in my head, and now I got this. I got my welding reels here, which seem to work pretty good, and ended up costing me 20 bucks a reel. And there you go. So now I don't have to spend 100 bucks in material, time, and more money because they're already made. So the good thing was I already had these quick connects here. So all I have to do is pull the cable out like I did, for example, like that. Let's say that's 20 feet or so. I'll plug in my welder here, go to my other reel, pull the cable, plug my welder in, start welding. Once I'm done, remove my welder lead here, roll this in, and there you go. Now the only thing I'm gonna do is put like a little locking mechanism somewhere where I can put a little pin that goes across with a spring or something, lock it in place. I don't want to be driving down the highway and have 50 feet of lead, just dragging. But 20 bucks there, Now the deal is, this is 40 feet of cable on a 50-foot capacity reel. Mother leads 80 or 90 feet. So I got to return that one, pay 5 bucks more, and get the wider reel. But yeah, thanks to the person who reminded me about the reels. Now I have a way to store my cable, and not worry about having kinks every damn day. Thank you. Alright guys, well y'all have fun. See y'all later. Bye bye. Alright guys, well I won a Tractor Supply and they only had one of these left. So I went ahead and picked it up. Now you got a 50-foot capacity and a 100-foot capacity. The one here was $20. This one, I was surprised when I went to go pay because I paid $2.49 right here at the bottom. And it's the only one they had. I wish I had more. So I got roughly $25 at the most invested here in these two reels, and I'm gonna give them a shot to see how they work. And like I mentioned before, if this mounting bracket fails, I'll just stick a pipe down the middle and then another square tubing down the middle this way, and I'll just keep using the hardware on here. I'll use the bearings it has on there, and like I said, just make it work. Alright guys, y'all be careful. See y'all later. Bye bye.